Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize charge card transactions reconciliation in QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. Start QuickBooks and log into your company account. Navigate to the Transactions tab on the left side of the screen. Select Banking from the drop-down menu. Click on Chart of Accounts at the top of the page. Locate the charge card account you wish to reconcile. Select the View Register option for that charge card account. Take a moment to review the transactions listed in the register. Open your charge card statement for the reconciliation period. Compare each transaction in QuickBooks with the charges on your statement. Look for any discrepancies between the amounts charged and those recorded in QuickBooks. If you find any errors, click on the transaction in QuickBooks to edit it. Make necessary adjustments to ensure the amounts match. Once all transactions are verified, proceed to the reconciliation process. Return to the banking section and select Reconcile. Choose the charge card account you're reconciling. Set the statement ending balance from your charge card statement. Enter the statement date you are reconciling against. Click on Continue to proceed to the reconciliation screen. As you go through the transactions, check the box next to each one that appears on your statement. The difference box at the bottom should ideally show a zero balance. If the values do not match, double-check the entries for any missed transactions. Once everything matches, click on Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. Review the reconciliation summary for accuracy. Print or save the reconciliation report for your records. Keep your reconciled statement handy for future reference. Your charge card transaction reconciliation is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.